In this question, we're asked to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector between the 2 points negative 3, 1 and 2, 5. To represent what a perpendicular bisector looks like, let's just draw these 2 points on a Cartesian plane. So the point negative 3, 1 will be somewhere about here. 2, 5 will be in the positive region, so it'll be something like this. So what a perpendicular bisector does, well, let's just split that statement into two different parts. Perpendicular means it's perpendicular between these 2 points. So if this is the line connecting the 2 points, something perpendicular will be like this, essentially at right angles to the line connecting the 2 points. Bisector means that it's splitting something into half. So what the perpendicular bisector does is it perpendicularly splits the line connecting the 2 points. So that would be somewhere like this. And this would be at right angles. So this point is the midpoint, and this is normal to the line connecting the 2 points. Okay, so let's first find the gradient between the 2 points. So m points is equal to, well, the general formula for gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So just substituting in 2 points, we have 5 minus 1 over 2 minus negative 3. And this is equal to 5 minus 1, which is 4, divided by 2 plus 3, which is 5. So this is the gradient of the dashed line. Therefore, the normal gradient is equal to negative 1 over that gradient. So it'll be negative 1 divided by 4/5. So whenever we divide by a fraction, we change, flip. So then we flip the fraction and we multiply it. So it's negative 1 multiplied by 5 over 4. This is just negative 5 over 4. So right now, we know that the gradient is negative 5 over 4. So we can say that the equation of the line is equal to negative 5 over 4 x plus c. We're just missing one piece of information though to find c. And usually for a linear equation, the other piece of information is a point. Because we know it's a bisector and we split it into half, this point will be exactly in the middle of our two endpoints from here to here. So let's just find the midpoint. We know our 2 points are 2, 5 and negative 3, 1. So the midpoint is just the average of the x values and then the average of the y values. So we take our x values and we divide them by 2 after adding them together. So it'll be negative 3 plus 2 divided by 2. And then it would be 5 plus 1, our two y values, divided by 2. So negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, so it would be negative 1/2. And then 5 plus 1 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. So this point here is the midpoint, so that's that point there. So negative 1/2, 3. Then we substitute in that point to this equation here to find the c value. So that's going to equal 3, being equal to negative 5 over 4 multiplied by negative 1/2 plus c. 3 is equal to 5 divided by 8. The negatives cancel out. Plus c. 3 with a denominator of 8 is 24 divided by 8. Moving this to that side, it's c is equal to 19 over 8. Therefore, y is equal to negative 5 over 4 x plus 19 over 8. And this is the equation of the perpendicular bisector.